Here are 10 fruits known for their natural detoxifying properties that can help cleanse your body without much effort. 1. Lemon. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons help flush out toxins and boost liver function. A glass of warm lemon water in the morning can kickstart the detox process. 2. Apple. Apples are packed with fiber and pectin, which aid digestion and help eliminate heavy metals and toxins from the body. 3. Pineapple, containing bromelain, an enzyme that supports digestion and reduces inflammation. Pineapples help detoxify your digestive system. 4. Avocado, loaded with healthy fats and glutathione, avocados help the liver remove harmful toxins while promoting heart health. 5. Watermelon. This hydrating fruit is rich in antioxidants and helps flush out toxins through its diuretic properties. 6. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is low in calories but rich in vitamin C and fiber, helping to cleanse the liver and improve digestion. 7. Papaya. The enzymes in papaya, especially papain, enhance digestion and aid in breaking down toxins in the gastrointestinal tract. 8. Blueberries. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, blueberries help combat oxidative stress and cleanse your blood. 9. Oranges. Oranges are high in vitamin C and water content, which aid in flushing out toxins and boosting immune health. 10. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants, which help detoxify the blood and support liver health. Including these fruits in your diet, whether fresh, as juices, or in smoothies, can help support your body's natural detoxification processes effortlessly. Would you like tips on incorporating them into meals or beverages?